Fear of a chemical leak sent a UD student to the hospital today and cut classes short. A foul odor filled Kettering labs on campus, and that triggered an evacuation. Rhonda Moore is now live in Dayton with what firefighters and hazmat found. Rhonda.
Jack, at this point, firefighters can't say for sure where the smell came from, but some students were in the middle of taking tests when all of a sudden they had to get out of the building.
Pretty crazy. I mean, there's like 30 cars out here. It's got to be a pretty big deal, I guess.
That's what some UD students think as fire and hazmat units appeared on campus this morning.
One of the lab workers noticed an odor, a strange odor in one of the labs, something that smelled like rotten eggs.
The worker pulled the alarm inside Kettering labs.
They use a product called sulfur dioxide in the lab, which could have been putting off that odor. They have safety systems in the lab which didn't detect that, but as a safety precaution, he went ahead and pulled the fire alarm to evacuate the building.
Those in this building were evacuated, and UD let other students know about the situation by sending out an email.
I got the email.
What did it say?
It just said to evacuate the building and stay clear from Kettering labs because there was a gas leak and it was hazardous.
We're pretty concerned because it's not very typical to see all this commotion going on.
He texted friends in the building.
And they said, yeah, like their classes got canceled because the alarm went off, and they left right away. And they were fine, obviously, which is a relief because everybody's worried about people that are in there.
We did have one student that was in the building that was having just a little bit of a watery nose, that sensation that you get, and we transported as a precaution.
And firefighters are now saying that it is possible that some type of drain cleaner may be the cause of that smell. And they say that that would make sense since no readings were found that actually monitor hazardous chemicals. Now, the building was aired out, and then students were allowed back in class starting at 2:30 this afternoon. Reporting live in Dayton, Rhonda Moore, Fox 45 News on ABC.